Today we will see about Azure Key Vault authorization and authentication method. So in Azure authentication we will be following two facts. We have to understand two facts: the management of the key vault itself and accessing the data contained in the key vault. So if documentation refers to the management plane and the data plane. Why we are separated means this creation of a key vault is a management operation which is different from storing and retrieving a secret stored in a key vault. Is a different process. So to access the key vault, any user or application, they must have a proper authentication to identify who is the caller, who is sending the request. So and authorization is to determine the operations the caller want to perform. So this is where we have to understand the difference between authorization and authentication and authorization. So to access the key vault, authentication is needed with proper permission, and authentication is to determine the operations that a caller can perform. So Azure Key Vault uses Active Directory to authenticate its users and application if they want to access a key vault. So authentication is performed by associating Azure Active Directory tenant of the subscription. So the key vault will become a part of it. So every user and app would be making a request to which will be known to Azure Active Directory. There is no support for anonymous access to a key vault. So next comes the authorization. So management operations use role-based access control, and there is built-in role key vault contributor that provides access to management features of key vaults, but it does not allow to access the key vault data. For that we need a different role. So there is a contributor role that has full administration rights. So through that role we can get the full access to that key vault. Next, if we want to read and write in a key vault, means we have to use access policy. So key vault access policy is a permission set assigned to a user or managed identity to read, write and delete secret keys. These access policy can also be created through Azure Portal or CLI or a REST API. We can create this access policy. So this is all about this Azure Key Vault authorization and authentication. We will see few more concepts in Key Vault in our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.